Greetings. How to buy compound. Welcome. I am Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrency USA.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy compound. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy compound. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback codes and links. Now, this is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. On this website, you can get all information about cryptocurrencies. Now, we should go compound page and click. On this page, we can get all information about compound. So easy. Videos, Binance codes. Now, how to get comp? Just one click. Let's go.